Hey, there's Bob Trade Genius, the 22nd of June. Aloha Friday from Maui. Thought I'd whip out a quick video. I was gone pretty much half the trading day, so I didn't really put any trades out other than IAG, and I'll show you that in a second. But SPY, we've been short with puts and on the Qs too. And today started off looked like they were going to try to ramp it, but this is not a bullish close. Rolled it right back down, and I was telling the people in our group, I guess I said we're going to hit 27.59. If I was able to trade binaries today, we would have had another winner, but I couldn't stay to the end. I didn't like to leave a highly leveraged trade out there, but we've kicked this thing off back in June on SPY with US 500 trading on binaries 15 and 2, and that's probably as good as you get. And we apply our algorithms and probabilities to it as we try to trade this. And you know, and these trades here, you know, we're 15 and 2. The forex trades that Phil does is 98 and 5, and we use probabilities, and we use range bars, and we understand how futures like to fade and also like to reach for certain things. So we do really well. And you know, in that month so far, it's a 350% move. You know, we're averaging close to 20% on the trade per capital at risk. So so we're pretty excited about what we're doing there. And you can join us, and you can actually get cryptos and binaries together if you buy this month. You have basically 8 days left. I'm splitting it out. We're going to have an ETF trade, I'll get you in a second. We have a binary trade, and we're going to have crypto trades all separate going into July. But if you're a crypto and you're a binary person, you're going to be able to grandfather yourself in on this stuff. And it's great money, especially small accounts, especially learn how to trade futures. It really teaches you discipline, and we'll show you how to make money on these trades. So join us. We're running 50%, new website, new everything, and killer deal. You already paid for it already for the year, and you get free cryptos. And if Phil's talking about cryptos here, we spent the first half of the year, you know, through March, April, creating the Crypto Express, which was our algorithm for trading the cryptocurrencies up and down. And then we turned our attention to binaries. That's launched. Next year, I'm going to show you too. Now we're automating our filters for ETF to get higher and higher probability trades. We're pretty excited about it. We've been spending most of our time with SPY puts and calls, and I'm going to expand it out to other trades here in a second. I'll show those to you. Let me just jump over to that. So well, I'll start with AG because I'm already there. So you know, I'm a big fan of the miners. One of the things for me too, just so you want to know where I stand, is that I like to trade things that are bouncing off. This is the 100 period moving average for 2 hours. This is the moving VWAP that looks back 100 periods. So basically the last 200 hours of trading. And then what I also like to look at here is my confirmation signal. And then that hit here, and it got confirmed here, and then the thing launched. And so I'm already long AG. It's not something I'm selling. This thing's going to go double digit pretty soon. I'm going to flip to the other ones, and I'll get to SPY in a second. You got Heckler here moving now too. Give it a second here. We got island style wireless going right now. It broke back over again. We got a dual confirmation again. If you're not in Heckler mining, you should be. Look at Goro. I'm not in Goro. I always miss this move because I'm screwing around. And look at this thing rocketing again. It's just not giving up the ghost at all. Goro really likes to move. So if you like to get the racehorses, Goro and First Majestic really like to run fast and first. And if we look at GDX, okay, I bought GDX. It hit my lower bound here, okay, and I got blown out of the dust trade last month, and so I went with dust puts, and some longer term accounts I have. I went ahead and I have GDX in here, but I sell calls against it. Neither here nor there for the service, but it just grinds out income for me. and then, but here it hit the lower end of the bar. Boom. First, I expect next week it'll push through here. We'll get a second confirmation on it, and I'm expecting good things from GDX. I think the miners are starting to make its move here, and then I also like GDXJ2. It's going to probably pop over here pretty soon, and then I bought IAG today too, so it is definitely blown through all its oversold areas, and I like the move here. I have a tight stop on it here just in case I'm wrong. It cost me hardly anything, mostly commission, but I'm expecting IAG to rock it too, and I'm looking for a move at least to here and then move higher from there. But let me show you SPY. This is where I make most of my money, is calls and puts on SPY. And you know, this was a change. The Fed meeting was a change, and we had this gap down. We were short it, and like I said the other day, we were short, but we buy calls during the day if we get these moves like this. And today, you know, gapped up. Everybody's all excited, and my indicator is saying, hey, don't be excited. And it broke through. If it breaks through again, it's coming down to here. Okay, 268 area, 267 high. I left my puts on, and I also have Q puts too. Qs don't look really good at all. It never got green today. Okay, and that's rolling over. We're at least going to here, and then probably to here. And you get our first fade here. That's why I took my puts in the first place. Okay, I got confirmation today that I made the right decision, and now we're starting to break the trend dots. And the only thing that's keeping this thing from doing anything else is that we still are above the moving average and the VWAP. But once this changes, then it's really going to rock and roll. So so anyway, I just want to throw this trade out at you, throw these signals out. I don't normally do Friday, but I'm just in and out on vacation all the way through next week, and I'm going to try to get some stuff out to you guys as I can. But things are going really well for us. If you think about joining us, half off, and you can make money nearly every day with us. So the market's really going to start getting interesting now. I think they're all starting to lose control, and that's a trader's market, and we can make a lot of money trading this thing. The grind is over. So anyway, you guys have a good one. I'll catch you later. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.